Guys, this is Tejas here from Avasam. Today I'm at NEC Birmingham at Spring Fair, and I'm talking about how you can do dropshipping right and how you can make money online using Avasam dropshipping marketplace, the only marketplace which allows multi-channel dropshipping. What is going to happen in 2020? The new trend is going to come, which is called stockless retail fulfillment. Because of the internet, our end customer, the buyer, become more intelligent. They got more information, they got more choice. So no matter whatever you buy from here, that will be out of fashion within a week. So what is going to happen? That sitting in your warehouse, you will have a dead stock, right? Your profit, everything will be in that stock. So what do you want to do? I think you want to be smart. You want to run a business where you sell someone else's stock and grow your business. Altogether, there are three parties: supplier, seller, and customer. So customer buy the goods from the seller. The seller do not hold the stock, right? They do not dispatch, but they pass the order to the supplier, and supplier send that goods back to the customer. There are key benefits. You can grow your business. You can increase your sales. How? By increasing your offering. You do not need to invest into the stock. Customers are coming on your website. They are already buying clothes, but you do not have shoes, right? You do not have a scarf. Now what you are going to do, if you are not using dropshipping retail fulfillment method, then you end up actually looking for a supplier, a reliable supplier, sell the goods to you, and you're going to stock it. But you don't know whether those items are going to sell or not. So your money is going to get stuck. So what dropshipping allows you to do, that you find the suppliers who is ready to fulfill these orders for you. Why not you start selling online? Using your skills. If you just imagine, if you have to do all this manually, I guess that's what you might be doing, when you are taking orders from the furniture. And then you end up losing the business, because if the automation is not there, this business is not sustainable. So what is Avasam in simple terms? It's a dropshipping marketplace. Whatever the complexities are out there, we try to solve all those problems through one marketplace, a dropshipping marketplace, a B2B marketplace, which allows sellers and suppliers to come together, right, and buy from one platform. And what we are doing, we are taking care of all the problems, all the complexity of the business, the dropshipping business model.